have. I'm African, have this accent. I'm taking them to my backyard, so I'm so confident. And it excites me. It literally, I feel it in my heart. I have this anticipation that their minds are just going to be blown. My product is twofold. It's obviously the work that I present for people to put in their homes, for them to experience every single day. And then it's coming on a trip for themselves. If they're photographers, great, let's do it. If they're not photographers, great, I'll give you an experience. One of the things that's been happening in me as I develop what I do, my photography isn't about a presentation, it's about an experience. That people will stand in front of their work and they will have an experience. And what experience are they going to have? They're going to have the experience that I had, but it's actually going to be different because it's going to speak to them in the way that they need to be spoken to by that photograph, by that experience, by that elephant coming for a visit. I couldn't ask for a better life, couldn't ask for a better way to influence people, couldn't ask for a better way to help people. Photography, I'll always come back with photographs that I absolutely love. And some of them are not photography trips. They're just trips with normal people. But of course, I'm a photographer. I take my camera everywhere.